Good evening, how are you?
Hi, Sumo, I'm good.
Hello, I'm fine, and you?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm okay, thanks. Have you seen the latest news about the school shooting?
Yes, it was a bad news.
Me too. I saw that the shooter was violent.
What do you think about bully? Have you ever been bullied?
I something that shouldn't have happened, and you? I think it's bad and it's not right at all.
I don't feel okay and I don't like it very much.
I think bullying others is a terrible thing because it hurts people.
I think there shouldn't be any bullying in school.
Oh, I should go now.
Me too.
Okay, bye.
Okay, see you tomorrow.
Why?